Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. Welcome. It is fantastic to see so many of you here. I'm deeply touched. Thank you all for being out here, and we hope to be able to bring you a presentation that you can remember. All right. Today, before we begin the program proper, may I just take a few minutes of your time to share something. Today is a very special occasion for everyone here in the Jurong Bird Park. It is the Bird Park's 52nd birthday today. Right? So happy birthday, Jurong Bird Park. The other occasion is also the last day that we will be open for everyone. So a little bit of a mixed emotion for everybody here working today, and we want to express our heartfelt gratitude for all your support. I see some familiar faces, some ex-colleagues, some friends of the park, some members as well. Thank you all so much for being so supportive and visiting us over the years that we've been here. And we hope that continue to do so when we move over to the new bird paradise sometime this year. Okay? So, my name is Clarence, by the way. And welcome to the Kings of the Skies, everybody!
Oh!
Birds of prey have captivated men with their strength, speed, and agility. So, in the next few moments, there will be birds flying all around this arena. Some of them flying right over your heads, some right by you. Yeah, do you want that? You like that? Okay. Okay, good. But we are going to need a bit of your help. Okay, so when that happens, when we got birds flying over your heads or flying right by you, do not stand up, reach out, or try to touch them. Can we do that? Yeah, this is for your safety and as well as the bird safety. So we appreciate that you remain or refrain from touching the birds when they fly by you. Can we do that, ladies and gentlemen? Yes. Nice. Okay. Also, we would appreciate any walking around. So try remaining in your seats when the program is ongoing. We've got birds flying around, so we don't want anyone to be in birds flight path as well. Okay? All you need to do is just sit back, relax, and enjoy. Alright? So, there we go. Are we ready?
Yes.
Alright, I'm sure there's so much more energy that can come up from all of you. Can we do this one more time? Yeah, are we ready?
Yes!
Fantastic. Ladies and gentlemen, let us begin. Right up on that perch is our white-bellied sea eagle, Nelson. Now, Nelson is going to be making a flight very shortly, but these birds are also known to go after prey such as banded sea kraits. Now, if you're wondering what that is, it's actually a sea snake, okay, a very venomous sea snake. And Nelson's going to show us how he's going to snatch it out from the surface of the water. So before that happens, he will be making that flight. And remember, he's going to fly over your head, so please stay in your seats and let's watch him do that. There he goes, on his way, heading right over to that perch. And I'm just going to get the sea crate, a replica of one I have over here. Okay, and he's on his way. There he goes into the water and hey! Brilliant! Snatched there by Nelson. Thank you. Very well done there. Okay, so that's how these birds go about snatching their prey. Now they know to dive down very swiftly to snatch their prey off the surface of the water without even pausing in flight. So even though that is not a real snake, we've got this very tight grip over it, which is a very common. Birds of prey are known to be very possessive. And I'm going to try and coax him to release it. And I think he's already done that, so thank you very much, Nelson. I will take this back and I'll put it aside, okay? Now, would you can join me upon that perch, please. Thank you very much. Okay, goes back into the closet. There you go. Okay. Right, white-bellied seagulls like Nelson here are found along the waterways and coastal areas throughout Southeast Asia. And Nelson is already an adult. The plumage of an immature white-bellied seagull is actually brown all over, right, from its head, belly, and tail. And of course, when they reach the age of about 5 to 6 years, that's when the feathers on its head and belly and tail will turn pure white, hence the name, the white-bellied seagull. Well, he seems to be a bit eager to head on back in, probably trying to stay away from the rain that may be coming down. So let's keep our fingers crossed it doesn't drop us on us. And now he goes. I'll see you later, Nelson. Ladies and gentlemen, our white-bellied seagull, Nelson. Thank you. Thank you very much. Our next bird has a very keen sense of smell and can detect the stench of a rotting carcass from miles away. Anyone has any clue on what I'm talking about? Hey, there you go. Very good. A vulture, and to be exact, a turkey vulture. Ladies and gentlemen, let's bring out Titan. I see you there, Titan. Come on out. Okay. I know there are a lot of cameras out here. Today being the last time that we are going to be out here with all these nice folks. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is our turkey vulture, Titan. And no, you'll try that one more time. Good bird. Now, turkey vultures like Titan over here are normally found in Canada and all the way up to the tip of South America. Now, they are also known to be the numerous vulture species in the world, numbering over 10 million in the wild. Yeah, that's right. Okay, one more time to me. If you're wondering how they actually got the name, take a good look at them. Okay, see? Does it resemble that of a turkey? a little bit, huh? Okay, anyway, these birds also have got a very prominent see-through nostril, which is also one of the factors of them being able to detect a carcass from miles away. And being smaller in size, these birds usually would depend on larger species of vultures to actually help them tear open a rotting carcass, and that's when they are able to actually feed on it as well. Okay, I think that'll be it for Titan because he seems to be wanting to head on back in, getting a bit attached to me over here. So I'm going to be sending you off also, and I'll see you later. Ladies and gentlemen, Titan, our turkey vulture. Oh, hang on, listen. Do you hear that? What is it? Someone said something. Who said crow? Oh, there you go. And can you see any owl around now? Anyone spotted an owl? Anyone look around? Oh, okay, I see some of you have spotted it. Okay, it's right up there with that nice looking gentleman. And we are going to be watching that owl make a flight down to join me right here on this perch. Okay, so when that happens, remember, do not move, okay, keep very still. And you can see how silent an owl's flight is. Here it comes. That was really silent, wasn't it? Anyone heard anything? No? Yeah, well that's because owls are able to fly very silently. And this is because of the softened edges at the tip of their feathers. Okay, and that's another reason why they have to fly so quietly, because when an owl hunts at night, they have to be very, very quiet. Otherwise, the prey that they are going after would actually know that they are coming to catch them. Okay? Anyways, we've got Balang up there. Let's see if I can get him up here to join me on stage. Balang, ready? Okay, maybe not yet. Later then. Belang is a Malay fish owl, and Malay fish owls are found throughout the Southeast Asian region. However, belang is actually a very special bird to us. See, he was hatched and raised right here in the Jurong Bird Park. Yeah, so we've been quite successful with some of our breeding programs, and belang is one of them. He's already 15 years old. Okay, so we all know that there's something very unique about the owls, and that is their ability to turn their heads quite a bit. Anyone has any idea how many degrees an owl can turn its head? Okay, I hear something over there. What's that? 270, is that what you said? Alright, nice. Okay, anything else over here? Who said that? 360, alright, good. Alright, I'll go try one more number. 170, okay. I'm gonna be a bit generous. One last one. What was that? What? 180? Okay, because I thought I heard 780. Yeah. Okay, no problem. Well, you know, the right answer is actually 270 degrees. Yeah, okay, so well done for those of you. Who said 270? Ah, well done, you guys. And for getting the right answer, you get to come back here again tomorrow for free. I'm just kidding, okay? Alright, so yes, an owl can turn its head 270 degrees, alright? I hear other numbers like 360 and all that were not possible. That's actually a full circle. Okay, 270 is just looking front and turning back and then back again like that. That's all, okay? Alright, so I think he's also getting a bit ready to head back. Okay, I know. We'll send you off soon. So Belang's going to be making his flight now, and there he goes, all the way right back in. Thank you very much, Belang, Malay fish owl. I'll see you later. Thank you. Okay, well, some of us, or many of us, would all normally think of a bird of prey high up on a tree or flying high above the skies. Yeah, but our next bird is also known for its foraging behavior on the ground. Okay, so before we bring him out, I think I'm going to need some help here. Is there someone who would like to join me on stage to help me out on this? Wow, so many. I need a big, strong gentleman actually. You sir in the blue t-shirt, can you join me on stage? Let's give him a big hand, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. Step right in, sir. Thank you for coming out to help me out here. Hi there. You can stand right beside me. Tell us your name. Where are you from, sir? Ah, and your name. So your name's not Indian, right? So your name is Ninar. Did I get it right? Ninar from Australia, ladies and gentlemen.
Oh.
Are you here on holiday? Nice. Okay. So Ninar, here's what we'll do. I will need you to help me hold this. A little bit heavy, so just hang on to that. Okay, and I've got some rocks out here. So what I'm going to do now is to set up the stage for our next bird before he comes out. And I'm just going to place all this right over here. And on top of that, I'll be placing some pieces of food underneath all these rocks. Okay, this is something that birds, okay, a number of years that we're doing this, getting to the knees. Okay, so here we go. I've got some here, and I'll randomly put one there and there as well. Okay, let's put them around. There you go. Okay, so Nina, I think I'm going to need your help now. Okay, can you help me get up? Because there you go. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, that'll be all. I think we can manage the rest. Thank you. Big hand for Nina from Australia, ladies and gentlemen.
Oh.
And you get to come back again tomorrow as well, for free. Okay, so we've got some leaves here as well. I'll just place all these leaves around here. Okay. I think I'm missing something else. Let me see where that is. Oh, here we go. Okay. and a bark of a tree. Okay, and I'll be placing another piece of wood here as well, just like so. Alright, looks like the stage all set and ready, and we are all set to bring out our next bird. Ladies and gentlemen, let's now bring out Raul, and here he is. Hi there, Raul. Looks like get to work. Okay. On his way now towards the rocks, and yes, he's found one. But look at what he's doing. He's actually using his feet to roll those rocks over to find the pieces of food underneath it. So what you see here are all natural behaviors, and that's what these birds are also known to do in the wild, waiting foraging the ground for the food. He's moving on to a pile of leaves now, and using his feet to swipe the leaves to find if there's anything underneath it. Any luck? You want to try it one more time? Okay, maybe not. Alright, we've got a bark of a tree, so what do you do, Raul? Something different this time, using his beak to actually flip it over to find some food underneath it. So, these birds are known to look for food like worms and insects, okay, by using their feet, but also if the insect were to take off and fly away, these birds are able to jump up into the air to catch it, just like this. There you go. You see that? He can actually do much better. He can do even higher. So, ready, Raul? Right up there. Aha! Nice job there. Well done. Thank you. Okay, can we have you up on the stop now, Raul? Now, Raul is a southern crested caracara, and these birds are found in South America. He's been here for a very long time with us already, and he is now over 20 years old. Well, he's done well, and I think he's ready to head back in as well. So I'll be seeing you later, okay? Time for you to go, and you know where it is, right? Right back in there. Let's try this again, Raul. It's right over there. Ladies and gentlemen, Raul, press the caracara. Wow. I must confess that I've not done this for a very long time, actually, over 5 years, so please bear with me. Yes, honestly. Yes, I'm starting to feel it already. Anyways, thank you. We are going to move on now, and we are going to bring out a really awesome bird, and I think he's almost ready. You see, here in the Jurong Bird Park, we also are involved in conservation, and our very next bird was actually nursed back to health by us. So let's do this very quickly before the rain comes down. Ladies and gentlemen, let's now welcome Genghis, everybody. There he is. Hey there, Genghis. Let's check him out now. This guy, come over. Okay, so Genghis is a Himalayan griffon vulture. Now, Himalayan griffon vulture is found along the mountainous regions of the Himalayas. And Genghis, he was actually found dehydrated here in Singapore. The authorities contacted us, and we went over to rescue him and nurse him back to good health. And I think you will agree with me that he is looking very much well now, isn't he, huh? That's right. Also, if you look at a vulture, you will notice that there are no feathers on its head and neck. Yeah, that's why vultures are bald, because when a vulture sticks its head into a carcass, it does not get stained or covered with blood. And that's how they keep it nice and clean. Well, on that note, Genghis, I think, you better head on back in because the rain is starting to show up, and we don't want everyone to be caught in the weather, okay? Ladies and gentlemen, Genghis, our Himalayan griffon vulture. Question, do we continue?
Yes.
Really? Okay, for the last time, ladies and gentlemen, we will continue.
Wow.
through with you what we have out here on stage joining us. This tall-looking one here. This is the marabou stork. You'll see some gray, smaller gray ones, known as the white-bellied vultures, and the larger brown ones. One more right over there, I think. They are the cinereous vultures. So it's a very common sight to see these birds coexist in the wild. Vultures are very important to our ecosystem because they help to reduce the spread of contagious diseases by feeding on carrion. And it is a very disappointing thing to find that the numbers of vultures are actually declining in the wild due to several threats like poisoning, poaching, deforestation, and even deliberate poisoning. That's right. And here in the park, we try to play our roles to preserve these birds. Well, you know what, ladies and gentlemen, it's been fantastic, but the rain is really not being too kind for us here, and we would like to bring the Kings of the Skies to an end. So one last time, everybody. We would like to thank all of you for being here. Thank you so much for all your support. We hope to see you all again in the near future very soon at the new Malay Paradise. And before you go, or before we go, here is everyone, the Kings of the Skies for the last time. Signing out.
Oh!
If you can, ladies and gentlemen, please do not forget this. We'd like to, are we still going ahead with this? No? Alright, well, it's not helping us with this. I'm so sorry, but thank you once again, everyone. Thank you so much. You've been fantastic. Do not forget to take your belongings before you leave, please.
I think we just stop first.